Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly censor something in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so as you can see on my screen, I have the intro to a Video Wizard channel. So what I'm going to do is, let's say I want to censor this logo. Well, there's a couple ways of doing it. So the rectangle tool, you can just draw a simple rectangle, covers it very nicely. There's a couple other shapes you can do. If you just hold down that button, you can press ellipse, polygon. Probably for this one, ellipse would be best. So then we can just draw a rough circle, go back to the arrow just to move this as well. That covers it nicely. Or, let's get rid of that one as well. If you have a more kind of unique shape and you want to cover it well, you can use the pen tool, okay? And then you can create your own custom shape. And it will censor something. Whatever you want it to censor, it will censor, okay? And again, if you have a moving thing, you do that in the motion position. You create little timestamps to where it's going to follow, but I have that in another video. In the pan across video, that explains that more. But that is how you do it, guys. Very simple. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.